Welcome to week two's video instructions, where I'll kind of go over what we're expecting to do in class this week. A little quote I have here for this week: smile, breathe, and go slowly. Just a little something I want you to think about as you do your work this week. Just take it one assignment, one class at a time, and you'll be all right. So let's go ahead and show you what we're doing. So I'll just show fourth period's class. Remember, I post a lot and it gets a little crazy on the stream. I would go to classwork. I organize it here so it's easy for you to find the things. And keep in mind, I've been getting a lot of questions about how to get into different things like class codes and how do I work through different websites. I have all of these posted here to help you kind of do that. So if I don't get back to you as quickly as you need, remember there are some resources here to help you as well. So let's look at this week. You'll do a warm-up just like you did last week, where you look at REWorks articles. We're going to focus specifically on making movies. So lots to choose from. Each day you log in to do some language arts, choose one, open it up. You can press play and it'll read the article to you. Another thing that I found is you can change the size of the text, make it bigger or smaller, get paragraph numbers if you need to. You can even have a drag bar so you can read line by line. Pretty cool stuff. And of course in the book of knowledge is where you'll actually be inputting your work for me to grade. Keep in mind, just like I was saying in those distance learning tutorials, you can look at the article a day assignment. You can see that there's things that I'm specifically looking for in your summary. We're looking for the central idea of the text. We want to include supporting details to understand the full text, make sure those are accurate, and include a title and author somewhere in your summary. So just keep that in mind as you're working. So that's the first thing. The next assignment that we'll be working on is grammar activities. I made 3 different links this time around. One thing I noticed when I had some conversations with folks is that we're not able to find the pre-test, the practice, and the quiz. So this makes it really, really easy. You just click the first one, that will take you to the pre-test. Click the second one, takes you to the practice. The third one takes you to the quiz. So it'll go exactly where you need to go. You just go ahead and click it. Remember when you log in, you want to use Google. And it should be easier this week because you've all created, say, pre-test right there. Well, we've all created our accounts last week, so should be able to log in and not have any issues. If you do, always email or use the Remind app. And then lastly, we have our comprehension writing activity where we'll be reading an article called Drones That Can Play Dodgeball. Sweet. You can go ahead and open up the Google Doc. Every single one of you got your own copy. Reason why is I want you guys highlighting. As you're reading, you find something important for you to keep to use later. You can highlight the text. Get the highlighter here on the top. Highlight it up for yourself. You can mark it up however you need to help yourself be able to understand the article. Once you understand the article and you're ready to do the other work, you can see that there's 2 different activities. The first one, what you do is comprehension assignment. You'll log in, first and last name, and you'll answer the questions. Do your best, this is graded. When that's complete, you'll go back and you'll complete the other activity called the creative writing application. And here you'll see paragraph 1, 2, and 3. So this is a multi-paragraph short response answer. We want to know, what would your drone look like if you were to design a drone that would help people? So what abilities would that drone have? Explain how this would benefit others, and then what would it look like or what materials would you need to make the drone. Lastly, you can also, just for fun, you can draw it either by hand or electronically, and you can see that there's an opportunity to add a file. So if you have a picture of your drawing or anything like that, you could go ahead and attach it there. So that's pretty much what we're doing this week. Remember, get into Google Classroom, take your time, do a warm-up each day, and then work on either grammar activities or comprehension writing activity. Hope everybody's staying safe and healthy. Just know I miss you guys like crazy, and I'm pretty sad that we're not going to be able to get back together again, but I trust that it will all work out. So, till next time, see you later.